Hi, good evening. I'm going to tell you a different kind of love story. Not mine, but this is a unique love story. Today at morning, when I was doing my chat in the cyber cafe, a beautiful girl, a beautiful girl just came and sit beside me. Due to some reasons, she started to talk with me. She needs my help, and I'm such a guy who always get attracted by some beautiful girls. So I also start talking with the girl and tell her, "Are you in love with somebody?" Yeah, and the girl said, "Yeah, I am in love with somebody." And I was so I did ask the girl, "Do you like me?" And the girl laughed, and she laughed a laughter like a lol, and she said me, she doesn't like the boy with beard. Really? I said, really? So, you love her? She said, my lover is with French cut beard. So, okay. And just after some time, her lover entered into the cyber chat. Yeah, her lover was full of beard. So, I asked the girl, so when your buddy, hubby, or your boyfriend needs to cut the needs to do shaving, what the cream he use? And the girl answered before the guy answered. The girl answered that, of course, this is the cream. This is the cream. And this is the, you can see, good morning, my brand. I was surprised. That guy also using Park Avenue Good Morning for shaving. So this is a love story, you can say. A girl's love for beard. And then I asked the girl, what's your favorite song? So the girl said, रातों के जागे. तो मैंने उसी वक्त उसका दोनों लाइन चला दिया. रातों को जागे सुबह मिले हैं रेशम के धागे के सिलसिले हैं जुड़ने लगी है दो दिलों की सिलसिलिया रे री रे and they left the place. Do you feel this is a love story? I think so. Love story always needs something like this love story with Park Avenue Good Morning Aftershave. My choice.